all the points one by one, and we'll see the status. The first point says that verify that integrity of construction has been ensured and the procedure have been implemented which maintain the design intent during the fabrication and construction of installation. So this is primary information I have put here. The project execution management plan is available and incorporated the ADNOC HSE standard PEP. The PEP is being implemented during the construction activity to ensure the integrity during the construction phase is ensured. QC plan is in place, and there was no NCR, no major concern during the audit.
NCR procedure. Okay, leave it. Okay, no major NCR concern.
No major NCR identified during audit.
Even there is no even major. There is no NCR. Is there any NCR, Nadmuddin?
NCRs was there, but it's closed.
Okay, you can say NCR
nothing outstanding.
NCRs were identified.
Identified NCRs are closed.
And closed. Very good. Okay.
Do you have any document for NCR or something? Do you have any document something?
Yeah,
there is the reference of
document number is the Vimal can provide it.
Okay. NCR register, something should be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vimal, I'm highlighting something bold, and please give me the number later.
Okay.
So confirm that engineering authorities role is established. Yes, of course. So engineering authority role is established and the functionality for the construction. And the roles and responsibility of engineering and construction manager are mentioned in the project execution plan. And the roles and responsibility are defined as per the document. And we have got project